everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will tell you how to set on and off images for a menu item in palette style for a Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here is my app, Flutter macOS app running. I haven't changed anything. This is the default code, but if you see at the top I have added my own menu called sports. If I click on it, I see one section header. Now this section header is only available from macOS 14. If you don't want the section header, you can just remove it. Also this palette menu I think is available from macOS 13 or 14. Okay, so here you can see if I click on any of this menu, I get this particular figure selected. Okay, and if I click on some other menu, here you can see I get this one selected. Now here you can see now the first one got deselected, right? If I select the third one, I get this, and the third one was deselected. But what if I want to keep the selection as it is? For that you can change this code as well. I'll show you the entire code. I'll quickly firstly show you guys the output so that you guys have a better idea. So I'll quickly rerun my application. I'll click on open anyway. I'm running it from macOS from my Xcode. The reason is that because otherwise this print statements are not getting print. Why? If I run it from Flutter and inside my terminal, I don't know why, but maybe by the time you watch it, it might get resolved. But if I click on this first item, I'll click on the second item, and here you can see both items are not selected. So it's up to you how you want to use it. I'll just change it back to select one. So you don't have to change any Dart code. All you will have to do is go to your Flutter application, go to macOS folder, double click on this XC workspace, and it will open it inside Xcode. Then you just so again, like I told you, change the minimum deployment target to at least macOS 14 over here, as well as you will have to change it over here. Then go to app delegate, and here I have created this NS menu, and we also have to override this application did finish launching method. First here we create an NS menu item, then I create an NS menu of title sports. You can change it to whatever you feel like, and here you can see I'm adding a section header. It's not important, you can add it if you feel like. Now these symbols which I have added, these symbols or images are by default present inside a macOS. Okay, so I haven't added anything inside my assets folder or anything like that. So I haven't added anything inside my assets folder over here. These are by default present inside a macOS, so I can directly use them. Then I'm just looping over it. I am creating NS menu item for each one of them, and here you can see I'm setting an offset image as well as an onset image. So again, this it's up to you, like how do you want to display the onset and offset images. And then we here you can see for onset images I'm using a person.fill. Onset is basically like when a person click on that particular image. Then we set the selection mode, set the presentation style as well. Then I create an NS menu item, and then I just assign our palette menu as a sub menu, and then I add the palette menu item to our menu. Then we just assign the menu to parent menu item dot sub menu, and then main menu dot add item parent menu item, and here we just override this particular method, and I am just doing a print statement. That's it, on whichever item has been selected. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.